Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna learn how to hack any Windows with this tool called MetaRats that's wrote by me, and you can download it from my GitHub and the link in bio. And okay, let's go hack with it. When you download it, you see this file. And there are some files here. Usually you have to open MetaRats with this icon, this application. With double click you're gonna open it and you're gonna see this window. Okay, we have three options here: listener, make, payload, and exit. Okay, the payload is one malware that you're gonna get to your target. Okay, let's go to make payload. Okay, you can only type make is enough. Okay, here you need IP. What is IP? It's your local IP. Is that a private? Is a local IP? And to found it, you have to go to command prompts or CMD or terminal. It's not different. But in a Windows, you're gonna have type IP config and here IP before address, and we have IP here. You have to copy that, and one thing, if this MetaRats only can hack Windows, but for listener side and the control panel, Linux and Mac control too. Okay, but get IP in Mac and Linux, you have to type if config, but now we don't have if config, and I'm enter it is error because we don't have any if config here. We have IP config. That okay. Here is my IP, and okay, here I have to enter the ports. Port is the 4 number. Yes, it's a number. And it's not important to be what, but just you have to memorize it because you're gonna enter it in another place, and it's important to remember. Okay, for example, I enter 1 2 3 4. What is no wait? What is it? 1 2 3 4 5. What the hell? 1 2. Oh, I got it. And this is good. How is it open? Oh, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and enter. And the malware name, for example, my malware name is game. Okay, that's enough. For example, malware name should have one, because you're gonna have to social engineering to get that malware to your target. Okay, because it's a test, I'm teach you. I enter game only. Okay, your client file created. Check asset folder. Do you want to convert it in .exe or not? But without any icon, because I want icon. I enter N, and it means no, and Y it means yes. Okay. Let's go to our file, to outputs. Oh, here we see one game we have. Let me one thing do here, please. Okay. Oh, wait, let's show you. Here, we have that malware or payload. Okay, in this step, we're gonna convert it to exe. You can do it with py installer library, and you can download it with pip install py installer. And but I use this file. You can type idupy to exe master GitHub in Google and find it and download it. At first you should open setup file, but now I open run file because I opened that before. Okay, cmd python run.py. Here, okay, script location. Here I'm gonna choose my payload or malware or script. Okay, it was in Metadata output game. One file always should be one file and always should be hide the console. And icon, for example, I don't know, for example this bug. Okay, open and converts the py to .exe and waiting to convert. And these are all of the codes. The server side is 136 and client side is 480. Okay, let's see, is it converted or not? We have the wait. Okay, it's converted now. Here I have this file. Okay, you can see that the name is game and the icon is that thing that we chose. Okay, and if I go to properties, you see that is the type is application. Okay, we have to go to control panel with type listener, and here we have to enter that port that we entered before. My port was 12345 and my IP, again that IP that I show you how to find it, again that's it, and enter. Okay, wait for victim to connect. Here right for me. Nice. Okay, when the victim connects it, here we can see the game's hide and it's not here anymore. And this is one option for this app, that when your target opens is hide and maybe your target can't find it or for example delete it. But I have one option that it's moved to startup folder. It means that every time the victim system turn on, your malware turn on too. And it's here. Okay, we have some options here. We say that client connected, IP shows IP for us. See that it show my IP, and port is my system IP. You know why? Because I tried on my local system because I didn't have a victim now to test. Okay, now I open in my system and the listener and hacker is my system again. Okay, here we have some options. For example, PVD show where am I. Either you are, for example, in user and desktop. Upload file, you can get one link to it from Google and you upload, or it means better to say download in the system, destroy all the system. It's remove Windows and system32. And download file is only for TXT files, and download image you can use it with download. Okay, and change directory. Okay, let's, for example, let me show you all of the options. Rename file, shutdown restart, open any link, drive list, system information, file list, new file, hack system lens, upload TXT file, access shell, bat sound, speak, change background, belong to 100%, belong to 0%, take screenshot, process, history of Chrome, open any app. And for example, you have the computer school, let's see, school computer, and you find one folder, and this exam you wanna pick up. Okay, let's go with cd. ls for list, and download, for example, then that page. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Then done, please check hacked folder. Hacked images, and here you can see. Take a screenshot, for example. Screenshot. So screenshot saved here. Please go and download that. Okay. I think it should be here. Yes, hc.png, hc.png. Now please check hack folder. Here we have the screenshots. And maybe, for example, you want to remove that now in the system. With this file and name. File removed, and else is not here anymore. You can type this or this to get the control options, and let's clear the screen and help. Okay. For example, you can rename and think open link. Okay, let's try. For example, PS GitHub.com. Here you see the GitHub open for us. And change background, say, speak in the system with a big voice and work with low and access some Wi-Fi that's saved. System information like within this. Okay. Okay, sorry. And this says wait. Here, show you. And if you enter a string that it doesn't have any meaning, say comment not found. And the reading file I show you, and that's it. And in the future I'm gonna add some options like debugger and see the cookies in all of the browsers, and will please follow me to have a new update. Thanks for watching.